Hi, today I am going to tell you about the matrices. We have many types of matrices like row matrix, rectangular matrix, square matrix, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, and so on. But here I will teach you about the matrices addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Now the addition of matrices. If we have two matrices like here I have A is equal to A, B, C, D, and the second matrix is B is equal to E, F, G, H. Now how I can add this? First entry of the first matrix or first row will be added to the first entry of the first row of the second matrix. Like A will be added to E, and similarly in the first row the second entry B will be added to the second matrix first row entry B, F. So B plus F and C plus G, D plus H. Now here is an example. I put numbers instead of these variables. Now I have first matrix is A is equal to 5, 7, 7, 5, and second matrix is B is equal to 3, 5, minus 1, 2. Now I can add this by this method which I discussed in the previous slide. A plus B is equal to 5 plus 3, 7 will be added to 5, 7 plus 5, 7 plus minus 1 and 5 plus 2. When this plus will be multiplied to minus, then it will give us the minus, because plus minus is minus, and minus plus is also minus, minus minus is plus, and plus multiplied to plus is equal to plus. So here I have A plus B is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, 7 plus 5 is 12, and 7 minus 1 is will be equal to 6, 5 plus 2 is 7. Subtraction of matrices. Here I have two matrices. First matrix is A is equal to A, B, C, D, and the second matrix is B is equal to E, F, G, H. Now A minus B is first entry of the first row of first matrix. A is A, and minus second first entry of the first row of the second matrix B, which is E. Similarly, B minus F, C minus G, and D minus H. Subtraction of matrices. Similarly, I again put the values instead of those variables. So now here I have the matrix A is equal to 9, 3, 1, 1, and the matrix B is equal to 1, 2, 5, 3. Following method of subtraction, A minus B is equal to 9 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 1 minus 5, and 1 minus 3. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4, and 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Here I have another example of subtraction. I have the matrix A is equal to 9, 3, minus 1, minus 1, and the matrix B is minus 1, minus 2, 5, 3. Now following the method of subtraction, so A minus B is equal to 9 minus, minus 1, 3 minus, minus 2, minus 1, minus 5, minus 1, minus 3. Now A minus B is equal to 9 plus 1. Minus multiplied to minus will give you plus. So 9 plus 1. Again 3 minus is plus. So 3 plus 2. Minus 1 and minus 5 will give you minus 6, and minus 1 minus 3 will give you minus 4 because of the same sign. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, minus 6, and minus 4. Multiplication of matrices. Two matrices can multiply if the number of columns of matrix A is equal to the number of rows of matrix B. Here I have two matrices. A is equal to A, B, C, D, and the other one is B is equal to E, F, G, H. How we can multiply the two matrices? The method is first row is multiplied to the first row of the matrix A will be multiplied to the first column of the matrix B. Then second row of the matrix A will be multiplied with the first column of matrix B. Similarly, the first row of the matrix A will be multiplied to the second column of the matrix B, and the second row of the matrix A will be multiplied to the second column of the matrix B. So here is A cross B is equal to first row is AB of the matrix A and the first column of the matrix B is EG. So I will multiply AB to this column EG. So A is multiplied to E and B multiplied to G. Then second row is of matrix A is CD. So now I will multiply this CD to the first column of the matrix B. C multiplied to E plus D multiplied to G. Now on the second column, first row of matrix A is AB. So I will multiply it with the second column of matrix B, FH. So A multiplied to F plus B multiplied to H. Now second row of the matrix A is CD. I will multiply this to the second column of the matrix B, F, H. C multiplied to F and D multiplied to H. Multiplication of matrices. Here I have an example. A is equal to 0, 1, 1, 1 and matrix B is equal to 2, minus 3, 4, 5. So A cross B is equal to first row of matrix A is 0, 1. I will multiply this to the first column of matrix B, 2, 4. So 0 multiplied 2 plus 1 multiplied 4. Now second column of the matrix A is 1, 1. And the first, I will multiply this to the first column of the matrix B, 2, 4. So 1 multiplied to 2 plus 1 multiplied to 4. Now first row of the matrix A is 0, 1. Which I will multiply to the second column of the matrix B, which is minus 3, 5. So 0 multiplied to minus 3 plus 1 multiplied to 5. And the second row of the matrix A is 1, 1. I will multiply this to the second column of the matrix B, minus 3, 5. So 1 multiplied to minus 3 plus 1 multiplied to 5. Now 0 multiplied to 2 will give you 0 plus 1 into 4 is 4. 1 multiplied to 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 into 4 is 4. 0 multiplied to minus 3 will give you 0 plus 1 multiplied to 5 is 5 and minus 3 multiplied to 1 will give you minus 3 because plus minus is minus. And 1 multiplied to 5 is 5. So 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 plus 5 is 5, 4 plus 2 is 6 and minus 3 plus 5 is 2.